here today with a new topper from UniWigs. This is a 7 by 8 inch topper. Its name is Sylvia because it's silver. The color on this is number 705, Silver Frost. It is a low density topper. It is 110% density. And believe it or not, even with the low density, you cannot see through it. It's very pretty.
Yeah.
I'm impressed with this one. It has a extra wide mono part, so you can part it to the right or to the left, and it looks like scalp, just like that. And that's really nice. I think it looks really nice. How about you, Kat?
I love it. And we will trim this a bit to suit us. It's a little long for us, but it is really pretty.
It is really pretty.
Yeah.
And I'm really surprised. I mean, I haven't had long hair in years, and I can put it behind my ears. Look there. And it blends with my hair pretty good. Right? This is my hair.
And we'll do a cut with that. We'll trim it to suit us, and
We're going
we'll
to
put
trim
some
it.
heat.
Put some, maybe a little bit of bangs in there too.
Yeah. Becky's already done a review on it. We really like this topper. It used to be a 12-inch length. I brought it up maybe to a 10-inch, but then I rolled it so the back is a lot shorter. I gave the back kind of came down to a little V like that, so I gave it a pretty good cut right there. When I put the rollers in it, it really lifted it. But this is human hair, so this is going to let go, you know, within the hours, just like your human hair would. I didn't want to put a bunch of product in it to hold it